Myself Ashok, Assistant Professor Computer Science Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video we are going to see about Virtualbox in cloud computing. Oracle Virtual Machine Virtualbox is a cross-platform virtualization application. It installs on the existing Intel or AMD based computers, whether they are running Windows, Mac operating system, Linux, or Oracle Solaris operating systems. It extends the capabilities of existing computers so that it can run multiple operating systems inside multiple virtual machines at the same time. For example, end user can run Windows and Linux on Mac operating system, run Windows Server 2016 on Linux server, run Linux on Windows PC. The user can install and run many virtual machines. The only practical limits are disk space and memory. Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox is Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox is deceptively simple, yet also very powerful. It is very simple, also very powerful. It can run everywhere from small embedded systems or desktop class machines all the way up to data centers, deployments, and even cloud environments. VirtualBox is created by Innotech and it was acquired by Sun Microsystem in 2010. VirtualBox was acquired by Oracle. So you can see the architecture of a VirtualBox. Host operating system platform is there, then virtual machine, Oracle Virtual Machine is there, then application supported guest operating systems are also there. VirtualBox supported in Windows, Mac operating system, Linux, Solaris and Open Solaris. This mode supports 32-bit guest operating system which runs in Windows, runs in ring 0 and 3 of the internal ring architecture. The system reconfigures the guest operating system code, which could normally run in ring 0 to execute in ring 1 on the host hardware. Because this code contains many privileged instructions which cannot run natively in ring 1, VirtualBox employs a code scanning and analysis manager to scan the ring 0 code recursively before its first execution to identify problematic instructions, and then calls the patch manager to perform in situ patching. This replaces the instruction with jump to virtual machine safe equipment, safe equivalent compiled code fragment in hypervisor memory. The guest user mode code running in ring 3 generally runs directly on the host hardware in ring 3. VirtualBox also contains a dynamic recompiler based on QEMU to recompile any real mode or predicted mode code entirely. Hardware assisted virtualization is starting with virtualization version 6.1. VirtualBox only supports. VirtualBox supports both Intel and AMD hardware assisted virtualization. So this the system emulates hard disk in one of the three disk image formats. One is VDI and VMDK, then VDH. For an Ethernet network adapter, VirtualBox virtualizes these network interface cards: AMD uh, PCNet, PC2, AMD PCNet, Fast 3, etc. etc. For a sound card, VirtualBox virtualizes Intel HD audio. Thank you.